This Hyundai Eon head unit is good, but I want something better. So I'll be replacing it with this Sony head unit, oldie but goodie. I'll remove first the Eon car stereo. Unplug antenna. And then these two connectors of Eon car stereo. We also need to remove two aircon connectors and three cables of ventilation controls. I will cut these wires. These three wires are the ground and two positive lines. Black is ground, red is continuous battery line, and green is ignition line. This is the Sony car stereo connector. And this is its ground and two positive wires. Which will be connected to this after cutting. These are the 8 speaker wires of the Sony to be connected here after cutting. Here I already cut the 3 wires. I will also cut the 8 Eon speaker wires. The Eon speaker wires do not follow the universal color, so we need to distinguish which are for the front left and right speakers and rear left and right speakers. We can refer to the manual. The first pair, red and blue, is for front right, and then the next is rear right, and then the next is front left, and the last pair is rear left. This is where I will connect the Sony speaker wires. Match the universal color of Sony stereo with that of Eon. Here I have connected the ground and the two positive lines. After wiring, we can install the head unit with its compatible panel. Replug the aircon connectors. We need to insert back this ventilation adjustment cable. Insert also this black cable with foam. The Sony head unit can be bolted here. I am inserting here the black cable with foam. Insert also the ventilation adjustment cable near the driver's side. I have now upgraded my Eon car stereo with Sony xplod car stereo. In installing car stereo, make sure the positive and negative terminals of the speaker are correct. The ground wiring should be correct and the two positive lines should not be interchanged, or else the car stereo will always be on.